In this video, we're going to be looking at the Greeks chart, which are available at charts.vtrender.com. Now, you can reach the Greeks chart through the menu option, and it's below the market profile and the options table. And the third item on the menu, starting from the top, that would be your Greeks table. Now, the Greeks table, as the name suggests, is the option Greeks. So it will give you your delta, gamma, theta, the open interest change, the price changes, etc. And you can find it with the calls and the puts, and the strike prices are down in the middle. Now this is extremely useful for traders who want to have a quick look at parameters such as delta. So suppose you are a option trader, and you are interested in making a spread of an option instrument, which is having, let's say, zero point 0.4 delta to begin with, and then you want to hedge it with a 0.25 delta, and then further hedge it as a butterfly pattern or some other pattern with a 0.10 delta or something. This chart will give you quickly what are the delta values and tell you what are the ones you need to look at. So you get the delta values over here: 0.39, 0.3, 0.22. Quickly in one glance, you get to know exactly what is the moving picture of the market, so that you can establish those positions based on the information which is available to you. The other thing which this Greeks chart would do for you quickly is to give you a target consideration. So suppose you've established a position for overnight, and let's say the Nifty closed at 18,800, and you have a bullish position, but you want to know what would be the price at the open the next morning. So what you do over here is you put in your expected price. So you expecting the market, let's say, to go to about 18,900, and you choose the date on which you need to go in. So I just chosen a random date over here, and I calculate the target. So if you can just say you have an 18,800 option open, which is at about 112, and you want to know the price of it on the 19th of June at 9:15 a.m. when the market opens, and you feel that the spot is going to be 18,900 at that point of time. What would be the current price of that? So you use this calculate target function, and then you immediately find out that this price is going to be about 137 at the open on Monday. Now you can go further and say, what is going to be the price at 10:15, an hour later. So an hour later also you can get in a price. So it's not much change, it's about 136. And if you want to find out a time somewhere around 12:15 or something, then again calculate targets. Because the spot is the same, you will not see much difference. But let's say the spot moves to about 18,950, and by afternoon, and you want to know what will be the price of your 18,800 call. Now you press calculate target, and it's going to give you the number 176 is what you'll be getting when the spot moves over there. So this is the Greeks chart. It's fairly useful for you to establish positions as option traders. It gives you a bird's eye view of all that is happening in the option market, and it can give you the access to the call as well, the charts as well. So if you want to quickly look at the chart, you can get it via this click on the button. So you get the market profile chart as well as the line chart of that particular call. You can get it straight off the Greeks table, right? So that's it for me. I hope you found this useful.